Cursor AI, the AI code editor that boosts developer productivity. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Cursor AI, one of the most popular AI-powered code editors that's changing the way developers build software. Built on top of Visual Studio Code, Cursor AI combines a familiar development environment with powerful artificial intelligence. It helps you generate code, explain complex functions, fix bugs, refactor projects, and even understand your entire code base using simple natural language commands. Whether you're a beginner learning to code or a professional software engineer working on large-scale applications, Cursor AI is designed to make coding faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now let's explore its powerful features and see what exciting updates are expected in the future. Main features: 1. AI code generation. Cursor AI can generate complete, working code from simple text prompts. Just describe what you need, and it creates clean, well-structured code within seconds. 2. Smart code completion. Its intelligent autocomplete predicts your next lines of code with impressive accuracy, helping you code faster while reducing typing and common errors. 3. Chat with your codebase. One of Cursor AI's standout features is its built-in AI chat assistant. You can ask questions like, explain this function, find where this API is used, optimize this code, suggest performance improvements. The AI understands your entire project and provides accurate, context-aware answers. 4. Bug detection and debugging. Cursor AI helps identify bugs, explains why errors occur, suggests fixes, and can even generate corrected code automatically, making debugging much faster. 5. AI-powered code. Refactoring. Improve the quality of your code with intelligent refactoring. Rename variables, reorganize functions, simplify complex logic, and keep your code clean without changing its functionality. 6. Multi-language support. Cursor AI supports many popular programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, Java, C#, C++, Go, Rust, and many more. 7. VS Code compatibility. Because Cursor AI is built on Visual Studio Code, you can continue using your favorite themes, keyboard shortcuts, extensions, and familiar workflow without interruption. 8. AI-powered developer productivity. Beyond writing code, Cursor AI can generate documentation, create SQL queries, write unit tests, build APIs, and automate repetitive development tasks, helping developers save valuable time. Upcoming updates. 1. More powerful AI models. Future updates are expected to introduce even smarter AI models with better reasoning, higher coding accuracy, and improved code generation. 2. Smarter AI agents. Cursor AI is expanding its AI agent capabilities to handle more complex, multi-step development tasks with minimal user input. 3. Faster codebase. Understanding upcoming improvements will allow the AI to analyze larger projects more quickly, making navigation and code understanding even more efficient. 4. Enhanced debugging. Future releases aim to provide smarter error detection, clearer explanations, and faster automatic bug fixes. 5. Better team collaboration. Cursor AI is expected to introduce more collaboration features, making it easier for development teams to work together on shared projects. 6. Expanded integrations. Support for additional integrations with GitHub, cloud platforms, CI/CD pipelines, and other developer tools is expected to continue growing. 7. Improved performance. Ongoing optimization will deliver faster AI responses, smoother performance, and improved efficiency when working with large code bases. 8. More languages and frameworks. Future updates will expand compatibility with even more programming languages, frameworks, and development technologies. Conclusion: Cursor AI is transforming modern software development by combining powerful artificial intelligence with a familiar coding environment. From generating code and fixing bugs to understanding entire projects, it helps developers write better software in less time. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or professional developer, Cursor AI is an excellent AI coding assistant that's definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest AI tools, software development, and emerging technologies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.